Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to make curve text in PowerPoint, what you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to make curve text in PowerPoint. When you are in PowerPoint, click Insert and then Word Art. Click on it and now choose the style you like. Okay, for example this one, and now here type the text, for example design pro guide. And after that you see here shape format, and then this icon text effect, click on it and then go transform, and here you can choose the style you want. Okay, for example this one. And here just you can increase the size if you want, and if you click on it and this yellow circle, yeah, if you want to increase the curve. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to make curve text in PowerPoint. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.